Hanover. Is how we call it. Hanover. Hanover. It's an emergency coming through. Wow. That's a start to welcome you to the Hanover.
In 300 meters, turn right on 2nd Street. Then turn left.
Okay, there's a word to... Ah, he got you. He was sleeping in there like a baby. And then, town of Hanover. Get me that Hanover.
We got gas here.
Turn right on 2nd
Yes, we
Street.
did.
This
Then
second.
turn left on 11th Avenue.
That was second. No, second's up here.
Yeah, we missed that turn.
I think so. But we got gas at that gas
Yeah.
station.
We need to come back. Oh, I want this one. Just drive then. Did we get that one? Did I pass that one? Here we go. Hanover water treatment. No, their water thing. It's a hospital. Speak it down. Just 50 along.
Oh, I need that.
That's a small downtown Hanover. Oh, this is where we come from. We did come from here. How come that GPS telling us here and there? I'm just gonna drive straight to the end and come back. This is where we eat.
Hanover police.
I see a TD Bank. Give me a... IBC. Oh yeah. I didn't see the donut circle.
No, I don't see them.
That was just a one time.
Hanover does have their own police.
You're gonna get caught, police. When I go over there, you're gonna get it.
We walked all down
Yes, we did all the way down because we parked all the way there. And I think the Tim Horton, you're gonna go to the Tim Horton because you know what? Yes, we need to visit the TCCRRC. Here was the parking lot. Convertible over there. These are the history of Hanover. Used to be what's that? A fishing village. They were raced down the city with this little scooter, horse, other stuff. Interesting.
Hanover train station, right?
Yeah.
That'd be cool to see.
It's a building, must be a factory or some. Oh, a home bakery. We will stop by later on.
Yeah.
There's nobody there. It's interesting shoes. I like that.
Over here, they have Crocs too, eh?
No, but that one I like that one. I'm gonna go into the store, see if I can get something. Look at that corner of the alley. There's a little door. Whoa. It's Canton Buffet. Did we have the buffet? No, we ordered the buffet was closed, but we did the lunch special. But now you cannot eat outside. You just buy one and eat it somewhere in the park. Haraman, support locals, stay safe. What's showing today? The F9, the Black Widow, $10 for general admission, and they have a matinee, $8. The garden was small potatoes, Peter Rabbit too. White Place Part 2, interesting. I guess. Oh, I got that one over there.
The police station?
Hanover Police Station, Industry Progress Recreation. I didn't see it's any police trooper here. A car. There's nobody. It's just a building. Come on, any cars going here is gonna get a picture. Not crossing the road. There's a Legion here. Legion. It's a big tank. Whoa. The tank is from, what's it? From Italy. It's pretty hot. It's not used anymore.
It's used by Allied.
I think this is during the first, oh, the Flanders field. In Flanders field, the flowers. And then you go here, the public library. The Lutheran Hour. It's a Lutheran church. Wow, look at the steeple. I can see this one is built. Oh, it's kind of swash. See the building here. It's way back. What year? That Korean War again. This is their public library. It's so big. It's like a city hall or something. right where that's. Frontline workers today. It's like an easy typewriter thing here, but this is a tower. From 1849 to 1914, how it used to be. What happened to the dam there? Whoa! Hear the bell. Just watch. It's like a dormitory or something. It's look like a sergeant academy. Well, we're thinking of going into this pub. Barbecue or something. They open 12 to 8. I think we have to go in here. Okay, we're going to eat here in the pub for lunch. DJ Surveillance Effect, night of got my ginger ale drink today at the patio. Got this squeeze lemon. You squeeze that one. Won't come up. Yeah. How about just dump the whole thing? Here we go. And squeeze that one. There. Makes my ginger kind of lemony. It's good for because it's hot today. It's 22 degrees. Yep, just waiting for the food to come in. Okay, this is I ordered for lunch today in the patio. It's quesadilla with possibly just a steak in there. Steak. Got my ginger ale. And John has, what do you have?
Beef dip.
Beef dip. I can speak English.
With a salad.
Or some salad and some of this horseradish sauce or something.